Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 rose to its highest level in 5 months on Thursday as better than expected Meta results further improved sentiment around technology shares, which led the market lower last year. The broader market index jumped 1.5% to its best level since August. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq composite advanced 3.25%, or its highest level since September. The gains come ahead of a trio of big tech results after the bell in Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet. At the same time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average underperformed, falling 0.11%. The major index was dragged lower by Merck shares after the pharmaceutical firm issued a weak outlook in its latest earnings results. Meta surged about 23% in its best day since 2013 after reporting a fourth quarter beat on revenue and announcing a $40 billion stock buyback. That helped investors look past losses in the business unit overseeing the metaverse. Comments by Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's CEO, about 2023 being the year of efficiency also appeared to be reassuring investors that big tech companies, which have announced a string of layoffs recently, are serious about rethinking their spending priorities in an uncertain economy. After falling 64% last year, Meta shares have risen more than 50% this year, based on today's close. Other mega-cap tech stocks rose on the back of those results. Shares of Google parent Alphabet were up more than 5%, while Amazon jumped more than 6%. Apple shares gained more than 2%. The S&P 500 information technology sector is up more than 13% this year after a decline of more than 28% last year. A wave of corporate layoffs that begin in technology is now flowing through other industries. In recent weeks, employers as varied as toy maker Hasbro Inc., chemicals giant Dow Inc., and payments pioneer PayPal Holdings Inc. announced job cuts following reductions at tech giants such as Alphabet's Google and Wall Street firms like Goldman Sachs Group. On Wednesday, FedEx and electric vehicle startup Rivian Automotive said they would also cut jobs. Amazon, Forward, Starbucks, and Alphabet reported their earnings after the bell. Amazon and Alphabet shares are currently down 6% in aftermarket trading. Ford has announced a cut in the price of its electric Mustang Mach-E, an early sign of a burgeoning EV price war spurred by Tesla earlier Thursday. Ford reported January new vehicle sales that showed slight improvement over the same period last year. Ford shares are currently up 7% in aftermarket trading. In S&P 500 sector news, communication services, tech, and consumer discretionary were among the standouts in Thursday's trading. Underperformers include commodity sectors, with the dollar stronger, with oil majors, oil-field services, precious metal miners, and global miners among the weakest groups. Despite the recent oil price performance, Shell has joined oil giants in reporting record profit. The British oil producer earned roughly $40 billion last year, its highest profit in 115 years, as fuel demand after Russia's invasion of Ukraine sent energy prices soaring. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for listening.